Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Kashif and I'm an IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS online and offline and we work in the name of Barful Educational Services in Gujarat on Garipura Road. And I have uploaded many videos about IELTS on my channel IELTS with Kashif, and I hope you watch those videos. And I really get many queries on TikTok and many questions. There were some people who were asking about that I have already explained about the introduction, how to write a proper 8-band introduction for your writing task 2. Today's video is about how to brainstorm the main topic. This is one of the key tasks which you have to perform before writing task 2. I have had an experience of teaching a PhD student from University of Gujarat, and she used to ask me, sir, it takes like 40-45 minutes to complete the task 2 while writing. And I asked her, why does it take 40 minutes to write task 2? Even normal people can write it in like 25 to 30 minutes. A normal person who has a good typing can type 10 words per minute. So you have 30 minutes, you can type easily 300 words, but you don't need to write 300 words for that. You only need 250 to 270 words for writing task 2. And how you're going to write it, that's what I'm going to tell you. I've already told how to write a good introduction. You can check the video on YouTube in IELTS writing playlist. Today I'm going to tell you whatever topic, whatever type of essay you get, how to brainstorm that idea in order to write within the time limits, within that time, maybe 25 to 30 minutes. And one thing more, I suggest that always try to attempt task 2 first rather task 1 first, because task 2 carries 65% weightage and it is a creative writing, not the descriptive writing. So for creative writing you need time for brainstorming and use good words. So always try to do task 2 first while you practice as well. So today's topic, I have already mentioned a website from where you can get different topics, that is IELTSband7.com, which is IELTSband7.com. When you go to that website, you find different essays over there, advantages, agree, disagree, causes and solution, and there are a few discuss both views. You'll find 500 essays over there, and for your sample answers, for your reference, for your topics, you can find. So first we have clicked on advantage essay. If you go to the advantage, so we'll find the first topic is more business meetings are being conducted online rather than person to person. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this trend? So what is the topic, main topic in this? Business meetings are being conducted online rather than person to person. So what are the positive plus points and what are the negative points? We'll have to discuss both. So you understand the topic. Business meetings are being conducted online rather person to person. So you'll have a pen and paper when you'll be taking the test. That brainstorming method will take 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. You have to spare 5 minutes for that. So here is the topic. More businesses meetings are being conducted online rather person to person. What are the advantages and disadvantages? You have to find 2 to 3 points for advantages, like it reduces the cost, online meetings, it increases the flexibility and accessibility. Number 3, it is time saving, right? You can combine reduce cost and time saving by making 1 point. We need at least 2 points in left side advantages and 2 points on right side. We don't need 3 or 4 points. So if you think some of the points can be combined, it's perfectly all right. You can combine them, right? Because on the basis of this brainstorming map, your body paragraph will be decided, your coherence, your cohesion will be based on this. When if you have done that brainstorming before your writing task 2, after watching your topic, you suddenly go towards the paper and make a small chart or brainstorming map of about what points you get in first side and what points you get in second side, right? not all the essay, but mostly you need that brainstorming map uh, while writing task 2, any type of essay. I'll discuss with the problem solution essay how you can brainstorm about that topic. But first, today is discuss both views or advantages, disadvantages, right? So there are three advantages: reduce cost, increase flexibility, and time saving. You can explain three of those separately, or you can combine two of them together and make it 2 points in body paragraph 1. These 3 points can be discussed in body paragraph 1. Reduce cost, explain it; increase flexibility, explain it with example; and time saving, explain it with example. And the second paragraph, body paragraph 2, other view. First view, advantages, and the second view, disadvantages: lack of personal connection, technical issues, and distraction and fatigue. These three things can be mentioned in disadvantage category. So you have the chart, you have all the essay in front of you. You only have to write some couple of sentences against each topic with example, and there you can end your essay. Your 60 to 70% of essay comes here. You don't need to think while you're writing that what are the other points which you need to mention, because you have already thought before writing. That's what I told that PhD student, doctor. She was a doctor and she's a teacher. I told her that think before you write. This is what thinking before writing, doing a brainstorming, putting up the points on the separate sides, and then start writing. Because this is the biggest advantage of doing that approach is when you will start writing, you will only recall your mind against these points, not any extra points which you will recall while writing. In that case, when you will do that, your coherence will be perfect, your cohesion will be all right, your connection between sentences and paragraph will be perfectly matched. All right, that was about brainstorming. I'll come with the next video on channel IELTS with Kashif. Keep watching and remember me in your prayers. Thank you very much.